Hi, my name is Sonia. I'm 16 years old and I've been studying at this school for 2.5 years. I have started studying there when I was on 8th grade in my public school, and I have started to take extra classes in this school because I thought that level of studying English in my public school is pretty weak. So studying there was pretty fun for me and successful probably. And if we talk about our organization and everything about it in general, I think that this school is pretty comfortable because all these teachers are super lovely women, which I adore with all my heart. And what I love especially about this school is that it doesn't have any strict rules. So teenager can study with adults and it will be fine because of how teachers organize everything. And come to our school.